Hello and welcome to Business News You Can Use, a monthly segment on DBTV that highlights the business community in Deer Park. My name is Debbie Westbeld and I'm the Economic Development Administrator for the City of Deer Park. And today we are featuring Ken's Restaurant, located at 1122 Center Street, across the street from Shell Federal Credit Union. It all started 49 years ago in 1970 when Ken Volz opened Ken's Taco Burger in the 700 block of Center Street. The small kitchenette's home-style cooking was an immediate hit with the locals. Ken's son, Randy, opened the current location at 1122 Center Street in 1990, serving great food like their all-day breakfast, chicken and dumplings, steaks, salads, burgers, a hot roast beef sandwich, and much more. Open to the public for breakfast and lunch. What an icon this restaurant has become in our community for almost 5 decades. And don't miss the beautiful mural inside the restaurant on the back wall. It was painted by 6 Deer Park High School art students and teachers back in 2014. Randy has also recently remodeled the restaurant and made it completely non-smoking. So stop by Ken's Restaurant soon and experience the delicious down-home cooking that's been making customers happy for 49 years. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Business News You Can Use.